Eat only raw food.
Nothing but plant-based.
Eat high fat.
Eat low fat.
No carbs. Eat 6 meals.
Take a deep breath and hold it. Right now, you hold in your lungs the secret to sustainable weight loss. You can breathe out now. This is Lumen, the first device for hacking your metabolism. With just one breath, Lumen tells you what you're currently burning for energy, carbs, or body fat, so you can see what's going on with your metabolism in real time and what to do about it. Breathe in the morning to get a personalized nutrition plan for the day. One that's based on your personal goals and adaptable to your eating habits. Breathe before a meal to see how the last one affected you and get recommendations to keep your body on track. Breathe to see if you have enough energy for your workout or if you should fuel up. Lumen doesn't just tell you what to do. It gives you the whys behind it all. Why your weight might be fluctuating, why you feel low on energy, why your body is storing carbs. Because the truth is, you have a different metabolism than me, than him, than her. Which is why Lumen is more than a diet. It's nutrition designed for you. And all you have to do is breathe. Sound like magic? It's actually science. The concentration of the various gases in your breath tells us what your cells are burning for fuel. Like CO2. Burning fuel from carbs releases more CO2 than burning body fat. Well, this science isn't new. It's been helping world-class athletes reach peak levels of fitness for years.
What we think we're doing and what's actually happening in our bodies can be very different things. Lumen is like a tool for actually giving you that ability to understand and sense what's going on in your body. That's like a superpower.
Anyway, Lumen measures your breath, does some math, and sends expert advice straight to your smartphone. Lumen is your lifestyle life coach, your metabolic meal planner, your nightstand nutritionist, your daily dietitian, your sleep scientist, your workout whisperer, your holistic health handheld. Simply speaking, a sustainable solution to a healthier new you.
We spent the last 4 years validating Lumen's technology in clinical trials, universities, and top hospitals around the world. And we've been helping hundreds of beta users make a sustainable change in their lives.
I've been able to lose 15 pounds with Lumen, which is amazing. It's crazy. I use it like I use a scale these days.
There's this awe aspect of it. Like, how can this little thing, doesn't even weigh much, actually measure my metabolism just in my breath?
Within a day, I'm gonna see Lumen's direct impact based off of what I've eaten.
Now we're excited to bring Lumen to you. So back us today and start hacking your metabolism.